there you are. Here looks amazing place to have a lunch, isn't it? I'll sit next to you. Oh, I'm starving already. Oh, okay. I have some ready things today, like ready. I just drive through Greg's and had some things from there, sausage rolls, some wraps. As you can see, the wrap looks okay. Whoa, get away. This is the wrap. What does it contain? What is with? Mexican style chicken, chipotle, chili sauce, salad, mixed peppers, and chipotle chili mayonnaise with tortilla wrap. Some flies really like my wrap. Okay, let me finish this wrap and I'm continuing on my way. See you in a bit. And just in front, Guaramara, great end. Oh, lovely. Brings me good memories. If you watched one of the videos where we had a camp next to Sprinkle Tarn, oh my god, it was one of these days with horrendous weather. It was really bad. Even I bought for the previous days second-hand tent and I took it over there to try it because I didn't have time to try it at home. And good, I told my friend to bring his tent just for in case. In the morning was so bad. It was wet, completely wet from inside. It was horrendous. Hello, hey, how are you? Are you having a good time? Yeah. Lovely walk, isn't it? Hello. I'm gonna create one gold path created by Simeon Kolev. Let's go. If the wind doesn't blow me away. Up. Alright, here I need to hand. I'll see you in a bit. how beautiful is it from the forest. You're going out and on the rocky terrain with some beautiful plants and very sharp. Huh. Good finish of the day. Cold beer, warm fries, amazing. This is pretty much everything, guys. I'm gonna enjoy the end of my day, and I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, type a comment below. It's gonna be big support for me. Thank you and cheers. See you next time.